Welcome back. Continuing the news. Operations are back to normal. That assurance from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton following Monday's sick-out by junior doctors. But it isn't all clear, Ramarda Lyons reports.
No assurances. That admission from the health minister when asked if Jamaicans can expect no further sick-outs from doctors.
Obviously, I can't give any assurances because those decisions are external to my control.
The most recent one on Monday saw operations disrupted at health facilities island-wide. Procedures cancelled. Patients turned back.
We had in some instances 60-70% absenteeism among that category of worker, the junior doctors.
Now, just like the work hours for many doctors, the meetings that followed the strike stretched past midnight. Negotiations are being led by the Labour and Finance ministries. Still, to Dr. Tufton's understanding, the issues are unresolved.
What I would say is that there is an earnest effort to try and bring some resolution to the issue with the prolonged discussions that are taking place. Clearly, there are some issues that are unresolved and have taken some time to be resolved, which hence the length of the meetings. What I'm hoping for is that some agreements will be reached, but it's driven by finance in the first instance, Labour as the conciliator to ensure that we reach some agreements.
He says in a perfect world, these industrial actions would be avoided. However,
the reality is that you're going to have these negotiations, demands made, demands that can be met and some that can't be met. It's a function of perspective and, of course, ability to pay. What has been settled so far, I believe the government should be credited for, because I keep explaining that what we have done on the compensation review is raise the increase to a level where the doctor in that category anyway would only need to work their regular hours to get a payment that otherwise they would have to work regular hours plus significant overtime or sessions. So on average, you're looking at about a 60% or so increase. That is settled.
Describing that increase as fair, he said it means that a doctor
can work regular hours, earn without over stressing themselves with the extra hours, but then it still has capacity for extras overtime because the truth is we're short-staffed. I spoke about the shortage of HR. So the discrepancy or the disagreements are around the rates for overtime.
The minister says it's hoped that as negotiations continue, patient care will not be jeopardized. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.
12 points.